Oh my god, did you see how she got smacked? Exalt, thank you, thank you. Why is every fight so easy every time? Hey, actually nice, okay. Exalt, nice. Look at the damage, look at the damage. I am smacking super hard. Hey, Exalt, nice. I mean, gem cutters. Nice. It's beautiful. Hey, my first map. What? That is almost 1000 damage. Are you kidding me? Okay. A new day means a great day because we are playing Path of Exile 2. It's not much to say. I am in love with the lightning spear and the smacking is intense. We are smacking hard. And I think we are approaching the Act 1 boss, so let's just jump right into it. Let's go. Boom. Hey, Exalt, thank you, thank you. Oh, here we go. Hey, it's an Exile with Wanderlust. Oh my god, did you see how she got smacked? Okay, this is so cool. Let's see. Your speed is okay, not very cool, but yeah. Let's go. Let's dance. Okay, so he basically faced after 1 second of fighting here, guys. That is the damage we are doing. Guys, I have taken, look at the HP I've killed before this phase. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? I mean... Look at this, guys! Look at this! What is this damage? Last time, he did like the dream phase 10 times. 10 times. Now he only got 1 dream phase. 1. Oh my god, the damage is bad. Ooh. Oh. Maybe those gloves are an upgrade. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so let's take a look at the damage here. How much do we get in damage? Yeah. We get a lot of damage from that one. Nice. Okay, let's head to Act 2 or Act 5 or whatever it is. First attempt, easy fight. Ay. Why is every fight so easy every time? Okay, let's see how much damage we get here. 4,778. Boom. Nice. Boom. Exalt, nice. Okay, here we go. Do we get a jewel that we can use? Let's see here. 3, 2, 1, boom. Hey, actually nice. Okay. Okay. Let's save it here so we regal it. Look at the damage. Look at the damage. I am smacking super hard. Look at the damage. Look at the damage. I am smacking super hard. Easy peasy. Okay, let's regal here. Let's see what we get. Boom. Increased presence area of effect. Oh, wow. I didn't know that stat existed. Huh. We go from 4,767 to... Oh, that's nice. I mean, bossing is so much easier when you kill them before they cannot even do all their attacks. Here we go. Let's see what this is. Mr. Dexy. Hey guys, here is the man. A boy and his PC. Subscribe. Boom. Subscribe. A boy and his PC. Ay, here we go. Yaman. Yaman Ra.
once was a man named Mr. 37. And he had blue eyes and a head that
You
was
are
fair.
unworthy.
He never was shaken and he never was beat and he ate good food
Okay,
and
first
exercised and he
attempt.
played
Boom,
HC
easy.
solo, self-found, self-found.
Hey, Exalt, nice.
But he kept his focus.
Guys, this took me 5 minutes last
And he
time.
never lost sight and he never gave
Okay,
slack.
here we go. I don't know
He
if
killed
the
the boss, then he
spreadsheet
cleared the map, and he farmed and he farmed and he mapped and he mapped and he played HC
counts this
solo,
one, but this is gonna be big damage. Let's see here. 5,342. Boom. Okay, it doesn't count for that, but it's very big, very, very big. Okay, let's talk more smack. Guys, I mean, I am getting repetitive, but guys, look at my damage! I am smacking the bosses so hard! I mean, hey, look at the damage, guys! Look at the damage! Look at the damage! A boom, easy, a boom. It was a bit of a lemon squeeze. Ay, 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 what do we have here? We have a unique. Oh no, this one deals less damage. This one and has less movement speed. Okay, maybe we actually keep on using this one. Okay, I'm here to smack once again. Let's go. Bam 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 bam. Ay, ay, ay. Bam 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 bam. Easy boom. Boom. Bam. Increased life recovery, I think. Okay, here we go, Mr. Kitava. I'm gonna smack you. Guys, he didn't even do his knife in the platform. He didn't even get to that phase. I killed him so fast. It's beyond crazy. I love this so much. I mean, lightning spear. And the damage is gonna get more intense. Can you believe it? Ay, ay, ay. Straight through the heart. He has done one attack. Okay, this is 1.5 maybe. Okay. That's attack number 3. Let's see here. That's attack number 4. And boom! Dead! 4 attacks! I'm just smacking too hard, guys. I'm smacking too hard. Let's see here. How much damage? And we will also improve our... we will improve our shock with this one. That is super. That's gonna be like what? That's gonna be 6% increased shock. That's not bad. That's 6% more damage, I think you can basically say. Okay, and let's take a look at our damage. 5,640 goes up to... Boom. 5,763. I mean, it's not too bad. I need to feel that I am doing my own... Oh, wait, what do we have here? More than 100 vision and also some life. Yeah, let's buy this one. Boom. Okay, I mean, our resistances, they look a lot better now, right? A lot better. Except for chaos, of course. Oh, hey, gem cutters. Nice. Okay, yeah, man. Ra, I'm here to smack you. Oh no, I didn't see. God damn it. No, God damn it. I mean, I hate the movement skills. I mean, if you just... Where is he? Where is he? Die. Oh, easy, easy game. Easiest boss in the campaign. So easy. Ay, ay, ay. I wasn't mad even once. Not even once. Get smacked. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, get smacked. Boom. Oh, yes. Here we go. Oh, my God. What is this ring? Look at this ring. It's beautiful. We go for accuracy, right? Yeah, let's go for accuracy here. 3, 2, 1, boom. Mana. That's low mana also. Hey, my first map or a waystone. Okay, nice. Here we go. Boom, easy. Okay, let's see how much damage we get from this. Ay, 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 this is gonna be big. 5,988. Boom. Oh, whoa, whoa, that's more than 400. Nice. Oh, wow. This is definitely an upgrade, right? Let's take a look at the damage here. 6,668. Boom. Oh, wow. That what? That is almost 1,000 damage. Are you kidding me? Okay, we used that one for sure. Oh my god. Give me life. Boom. Mana. Okay, we do it again. Give me life. Boom. Okay, fire damage. That's probably not very good, but it's something. We go from 6,668 to boom. Yeah, now we talk over 1,000 damage. Wow. Okay. So the stream is over for today, and yeah, the smacking is still happening. We have gotten a lot of upgrades. We haven't really gotten a weapon, but we have gotten like a belt. We have gotten gloves. We have gotten this beauty of a ring. Think we also got this helmet. So we have done a lot of upgrades, and also both our flasks are new. Yeah, the smacking is intense. The smacking is happening, and I am enjoying the game. Once again, maybe I'm getting a bit repetitive, but I am having very, very fun in the game. And tomorrow we will most likely do the rest of the Act 3, and that means that we are gonna try the end game. And I am very, very excited to see what the end game looks like and what it feels like. So yeah, I thank you all for tuning in, and bye bye.